Mustaq sir, shall we start?
Just a minute.
Sure.
So, good morning to everyone. Are you all able to see me on your screen?
A little closer to the mic, sir.
Are you all able to see me?
I'll have to scroll through. Yes, sir.
So, good morning, everyone. I welcome all the parents and the people throughout Telangana and India who have joined the session today on behalf of Brain and Bits. And I welcome Nidhi Jain, the founder of Brain and Bits, and as well as Sanjay Kumar, also co-founder. I hope that a lot of people are joining this session. So, because mine is an admin here, so I have to.
I'll admit them also.
So we will not take more time. So I welcome you wholeheartedly on behalf of all the parents of the school staff and everyone. So let's go. The session is live on Facebook. So let's go with the session. Over to you, Nidhi. I'll just spotlight your video. You can speak to the parents. And parents, kindly be patient. Please mute yourself. Then Nidhi will be, Nidhi will be very interactive when she wants any of the questions. You can just. So thank you. Over to you, Nidhi.
Thank you so much, sir, for giving us a chance to talk about an important topic, which is about mental health. Let's make it very, very clear for parents to understand and even for children to understand what is mental health and how it really works. Yeah. Hello. Thank you so much, Mustaq sir, for giving us an opportunity to talk about this. And this mental health is a very important subject that we all should know about, especially during these times. I would like to start it with one of the presentations. I hope everybody can see the screen in 1 minute. Is the screen available for everyone? Can everybody see the screen?
Yes, we can see the screen.
Okay.
They cannot unmute themselves. Once you ask the questions, let us know. I'll just unmute
Sure.
themselves. And they're also
Sure,
writing the
perfect.
questions, and in chat also they'll inform you. Please carry on.
Perfect. So you'll have to switch to the settings where nobody else can put anything on the screen. I'll share it again. Okay, perfect. So, dear parents and children, we are going to talk about mental health today, how learning is important with mental health, how should we handle it with COVID situations, what is COVID trying to teach us, and how should we get ourselves back into a new normal after COVID. So, I'll start with today's session, which is talking about mental health. If we can have some volunteer parents, that will be great. Mustaq sir, I need your help. There are some children who are scratching the screen. So if you can just disable the permission, the presentation is going to be very clear. Sorry, sir, you're not audible. So wait, I'll do that.
You can go ahead. If there is anyone who is disturbing the session, we will remove them off.
Yeah, Perfect. So I'm again because I've just switched off the share option. So I think there should not be any problem anymore. So we're talking about mental health and the importance these days. So why is mental health important? I'm sure everybody will agree that it is because of the increased stress level. We are very stressed for multiple things. We have a
Yeah,
stress.
whoever are doing themselves now, kindly stop this. Or else whoever are the outsider doing this, please don't touch your screen. Please. Ma'am, sorry to disturb. Carry on.
It happens with the kids. Yeah. Okay. So, in this case, we're talking about increased stress levels. There are fear in many issues. How, what will happen if I lose the job? What will happen if I score bad? What will happen if I don't get admission in so and so school or college? We have poor lifestyles. People do not want to eat healthy. They are so fascinated with junk food. We have a lot of competition also. Now there's a time where students are scoring 99%, even 100% in CBSE board. So obviously there's the pressure of competition, not just for the kids, but also for the parents. We have decreased human interaction and increased virtual relationships. We are spending more time on mobiles rather than meeting people. We are on social media. I'm sure everybody agrees to that. So all these things are the catalyst for us to understand why mental health is important. Senthil, can we have you to explain what is mental health in very, very layman language, very general terms, I would rather say.
Yes, definitely. Hi everyone. Good morning to everyone who have participated in this session. Hope I want you all to keep yourself to find out what is something which is new, which you are going to know about in case if you haven't heard about this, or else you are trying to brush your knowledge of what you have already heard about and these things. So mental health generally is a very very normal thing, but has so much of impact in our lives. Mental health is being done basically with only two parts. One is your thoughts. All of you know that what is called a thought, right? The thought is the most important aspect. Every day we think something. This is how we also act upon. So thought is one biggest aspects, and the second most important thing is emotions. You know what is called emotions, right? Most of us, when we hear something, immediately there is a reaction in our faces. You get tensed. You get things. These things happens when you are having a negative result from the instances, or you feel happy or you call joy when you get positive answers from the outer world. So emotions and thoughts, these will always overlap between every situation, where you will be constantly having an emotion when you have so much of information from outside. Then your thought starts to work towards something called action. This is where your thoughts has the power. Your thoughts has the power to improve your action, as well as decrease your action, as well as your thoughts has the power to make your emotions happier or your emotions bad. So when you say it in a layman term, if you know how to control your thoughts and how to control your emotions, that means you are in proper mental health. There is nothing like high mental health. Mental health is always called as a balance. We always wanted to maintain in an optimum level equilibrium. We call it as balance. There is nothing called high mental health or low mental health. You will have to come back to the equilibrium at the earliest possible time, so that you are free from these unwanted and unnecessary thoughts which will always make you
Senthil, can you give an example in layman language for mental health, especially these thoughts and emotions that we have just spoken about? Very,
sure.
very, actually take child as an example for parents also to understand and children also to understand.
Fine. Fantastic. So basically, let us assume there is a situation which is happening at home, right? The child, out of curiosity, goes there, breaks something, or touches unwanted things. The parent yells at the child. What will happen? There will be two things which is happening in the minds of the child. One is thought process, another one is emotional process. What happens in emotion? Immediately, the child has a fear, right? Probably because parents are yelling, or parents will yell after this. Probably if they are doing when the parents are not around, they will have a fear that what will happen if my parents sees what I have done. Then there is an emotion again. And when they see the parents in front of the parents may start to yell, or parents may say, okay, no problem. So there are thought process and emotional process which are coming to us basically from the outer world. So whenever the parent says, okay, no problem, don't do it again, they don't have so much of deep or strong emotions, like they don't get feared, or they don't cry, they don't shout, or whatever it might be. But when we are saying no problem, the emotions are less. Whenever the emotions are extended, their thoughts start to work in a negative process. Basically, think over, you start to yell around, then you have the kid starts to fear. Okay, every time when I do this, I am going to get a beating or a scolding from my parents or friends or whoever it might be. It depends upon the situation, basically. So every time you have this thing, this gets struck or this gets acted in your subconscious minds, and it starts to repeat this looping. The biggest thing of your mental process is this always follows a looping. Na? The next time when you do the same thing, you expect the same results. This is the power of mental health, where it affects you in a negative way as well as positive way. Very simple. Now, when you know that if I do this, I'm going to get a chocolate, every time the kid will do good habits, because their mind is fixed that when I do good aspects or whatever you have said, that if you do this, I give you this kind of a reward, the kid gets looped up. So every time when there is a situation similar to that, the kid wants to do this so that they get the benefit, or it may work in the negative way as well. Every time that is happening, then they will think, okay, this is what my parents are going to do. I'm going to get a scolding, so I have to defend myself from this process, and the negative starts to flow more often. Then it might sometimes lead to bad behavioral changes as well.
Okay, so let's talk about how mental health can be maintained. As we talked about, mental health is all related to our emotions, our thoughts. So it is very, very important for us to acknowledge. Everything goes out in our head. So we have to be very clear that everything which is running here is being acknowledged by us. It does not go in an automated mode. It has to be understood by us so that we can take a charge of it. Don't be lazy. Once we are lazy, we do not want to do things. We do not want to take charge of anything. Now, be it a household work, be it a school work, be it anything. So being lazy is something that we should always try to avoid. I understand there are days when we want to be lazy, but if we do it regularly, we get into a habit of being lazy. So that's something very important that we have to start taking care of. That's okay. Sometimes laziness for kids we understand, sometimes laziness for adults we understand. Keep yourself busy, very important. We have a very good saying, khali dimag shaitan ka ghar. So this is what we are trying to say, khali dimag shaitan ka ghar. So if you're not busy, there are random things that will come to your mind and you will just be occupied with negative things. Do something that you love to do. If you love to draw, do. If you love to sing, just do that, because that is something which will always boost up your mind. So always make sure in a day, do something which can boost up your mood, because that particular activity will make your day for the whole day. Then accept what comes to you. Do not struggle. The kids normally they start fighting with their parents. Parents also start yelling on their kids. Aise nahi karo, waise nahi karo. A lot of things. Okay, we do that. That's a part of normal activity that all of us do. But it's okay. So if there are things which we can't change, just accept it. Your rebellious nature towards accepting this or not accepting this is not going to change anything for you. तो अगर मम्मी ने ऐसा कहा है, नहीं चेंज कर सकता, मुझे मालूम है अल्टीमेटली चाहे डांट खा के चाहे पीट के मुझे वो काम करना है, तो डू नॉट गेट इनटू दैट सिचुएशन एंड एक्सेप्ट इट व्हेन यू ऑलरेडी नो कि मुझे करना ही पड़ेगा ना, चाहे ऐसे चाहे वैसे. So just do it. This is how we always try to maintain mental health, because we are creating positivity around us. We are getting away from the negativity, and negativity is what which spoils our mental health. So now let's understand one more important thing. Learning has to go on. This is one line that Mustaq sir always say this to every parent and every child. No matter what happens, learning should go on. Why learning is important for mental health? Senthil, I need you to explain it, and we can give some very quick examples. One thing for learning I would definitely want to say, which is learning is something that we do for some purpose, which is achievement, accomplishment.
Nidhi, sorry to disturb you. Rather than this PPT, you just on your video, Nidhi.
So my video is on. It's on the side of it, actually.
Nidhi, you just
share screen. Share
stop
screen
the
off.
share screen and again start it so that this will go out.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Right. Perfect.
Okay. Can you see the PPT also and my face also?
Yes, yes.
Perfect. Okay. So learning is something that Senthil, let's give them very quick examples because we have to also get onto queries mode also with the parents. So let's just finish learning. And again, I'm again telling everybody, Mustaq sir always focus on learning should go on, whatever the situation is. If you're at home, if you're in the kitchen, still the learning is important. If you are in your playground, still the learning is important. Learning is something which will always make sure that you're mentally very healthy. Senthil,
Right.
please go ahead.
Yes. Basically, for all of us to understand, there is a difference between learning and education. Most of the time, whenever we use this word learning, people think it is education, going to school, going to college, getting degrees. This is called learning. But education is a part of learning. Learning is nothing but to gain or acquire knowledge so that you use that knowledge wherever it is required. So that is the basic point behind learning. That is why always wherever you go search for what is called learning, the first thing which comes in Google when you turn also, it is acquiring knowledge, understanding. These are the words which will be used because you want to understand the situation first. To understand, you have to learn the art. That is why we always call these things learning. Once you know what is learning, learning has several types. You can go to school, you can learn from them. There is real life learnings which happens in every family, every school. Rather than the education alone, the kids start to learn more things from their teachers, habits, students, their friends, the environment which is there in the school. Most of the time we think that learning ends at the school level, but no, people start to learn at offices as well. I think most of you would accept this point now. When you see one of your colleagues doing something better, out of curiosity, you know what it is, and you try to make sure that you also learn that and you excel in that part, or you try to enhance your skills on it, right? So learning is a never-ending process. Learning is nothing to do with education or this COVID times where we don't have the time to go. You can learn anything and everything and wherever you are sitting. So this is the biggest point which you will have to understand. I'm very happy that Mustaq sir has clearly understood that and he has got a real vision, because learning is a different part. You always should know what is called learning.
Okay, so it can be increased. How learning increases mental health? It gives you more clarity, it gives you more confidence, and it gives you an ability to handle difficult situations. I think if we are able to do all these three things, there's nothing which is left behind to achieve success in whatever areas we are. If we are a student, still we need these things to be successful. And if we are an adult, still we need these three things to handle. So let's move on to a next slide, which is COVID. I'm sure everybody knows what is COVID. If I ask any child right now, everybody will know what is COVID. Something, a virus which can stop the whole world from working. No, it can only be a world war. Still, world war can't put us in the houses like this. But COVID-19 has done this, which is unexpectedly, everybody has to stay at home for a longer time, although it had some benefits also. So let's move on. What are the challenges we all are facing because of COVID? Fear of death. I'm sure everybody agrees to that. That is the reason why the lockdowns are happening, because the number of deaths are increasing. The fear is increasing. So we should be at home, precautionary, and taking care of ourselves. Economic instability. Yes, during this time, during the lockdown, a lot of us have not been able to work. We have not been able to earn money. So economic instability was obvious to come. for everybody across the globe, and insecurity about future. We don't know whether we are going to be in the job or not, what is going to happen about our studies, how my class 10th or 12th exams are going to go now because I'm not able to go to the school, a lot of things like this. So a lot of insecurities, and these are the challenges that we are facing because of COVID-19. Now, what is COVID trying to teach us? Very quickly, Senthil, if we can just do some examples on this.
Sure.
Everything, whatever happens in our life, always gives us a teaching. This is important for us to realize that we take the teaching or we take what is bad out of it. So we have no choice. Always there are two choices for everybody: think positive or think negative. If you think positive, you'll understand what everything is trying to teach us. If you think negative, you're only cribbing about the situations, and by cribbing you will not get anything. I hope it is making sense to everybody. So let's understand. COVID has also taught us something. Let's talk about that. Senthil?
Yes. See, basically, when you do this kind of education, learning, there is a difference now. Or whenever I used to do my schoolings and everything, I learned two different aspects which happened. There is a big difference between school education and life education. You know that basically, you see that school education, they teach you, then you go and you experience the challenges in the real life. What is real life experience? It gives you the problems, you experience it, then you learn the learnings, what the bad situation or the good situation has taught us. School system is doing what is called prevention is cure. Na? Life actually gives all your troubles, then only it teaches you. But we are lucky that we have created a system called school system, where all the experts and the people who have experienced these kind of challenges have already scripted few things, so that we have to take up those advices and the lessons and the suggestions, so that whenever we are facing the real life situations, we get equipped, so that it becomes easy to navigate from those situations. Hardly or sometimes, unfortunately, most of us don't learn these things which was given for the prevention mode, and we are entering into the difficult phase which is called the real life problems. Then again we are learning it and we are trying to do it. So typically this is what has happened with COVID also, no? There was a general aspect, always a healthy mind stays in the healthy body. We always want everybody to be healthy. It was being said for a long time, but we have few people would have taken it very light. Now COVID has made it very clear that if you are not healthy, that means it is ready any time to come and attack you. Now it is again reiterating, and it is teaching a lesson to know that better physical health is the most important thing, to make sure that we stay happy for the next coming years, right? So healthy, to be at physical optimum physical health is much more required for us. Then we have this hygienic lifestyle and healthy lifestyle. We know pretty well that sometimes it is unfortunate for most of us can't follow, but it would be really great that if we can take a step out of it, to know that what is called healthy and hygienic lifestyle, no? So this is one word which you can always go across, Google it, you can find out what are the healthy habits, hygienic. I just leave it to you to know that, because I don't want to get into that stuff of knowing what is healthy and hygiene. Now let's come to the mental part of this, so that we can work on those things. Mental toughness. You know what is mental toughness? You know pretty well. Now we don't know whether how this lockdown is going, how we are going to be back to things. We have this so much of fear that whether it will be easier for us to travel outside or not, whether to go to the school and come back will become safety aspect or not, and how are we going to process through our lives. These things gives us numerous pressures. Now, unless and until you are mentally tough, I think it is going to be really tough for us to navigate through these difficult times. These are difficult times, no? Human beings are always have the power to overcome any tough situations. We can easily navigate, provided we take all the aspects and we are going to go through this, for which the most important thing is self discipline. We'll have to know what to do, what not to do, how to move, when to move, where to move on these things. When you have this self discipline, then these times all will always be like a part of your memories. Now you sometime after 5-10 years or 15-20 years, you go back and say that to your children, grandchildren, that There was a time, we call it as COVID times, where things were really bad. We had to go through so much of pressure for 3 to 4 months, but we navigated, and it was really great that it made the best out of ourselves, because that is where most of us to know about ourselves, na? What are the powers which we have, how we have the power of withstanding.
Senthil, sorry, we have got a request from some of the parents to talk in Hindi. So let's try to be in Hindi as much as
Okay.
possible. So parents, although हम सब जानते हैं कि ये सिचुएशन डिफिकल्ट है, बट इस सिचुएशन ने हमें सिखाया भी बहुत है. जैसे मैंने पहले कहा था, हमारे पास दो चॉइसेस रहती हैं. या तो हम उस चीज का अच्छा निकालें, या हम उस चीज को पकड़ के रोएं. रोने से कभी किसी का भला नहीं होता. सिमिलरली हमारे बच्चे भी अगर किसी चीज के लिए रोते हैं, वी ट्राई टू अवॉइड दैट. अंडरस्टैंड, टेक इट ऑन योरसेल्फ. आप अपने आप पे लेके देखें, आप किसी चीज के बारे में क्रिप कर रहे हैं या परेशान हो रहे हैं, उससे कोई सोल्यूशन नहीं आएगा. इसीलिए जरूरी है, कोविड आया है, जाएगा भी, लेकिन क्या सिखा के जा रहे हैं. एक जो है उसको अडेप्ट करो. वट एवर इज हैपनिंग, जो चल रहा है, एक्सेप्ट इट. इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. डू द चेंज, वट एवर इज रिक्वायर्ड. जो भी चीज रिक्वायर्ड है चेंज करने के लिए, चेंज करें. मत सोचे, एडमेंट मत हुए. इसलिए इंपॉर्टेंट है, अडेप्ट करें, चेंज करें, improve करें. This is a call where we have to improve our learning style, we have to improve our lifestyle. और जो हो रहा है आज, अगर हमारी ऑनलाइन क्लासेस चल रही हैं, we should go ahead with the online classes. We should not crib. मेरे बच्चों की आंखें खराब हो जाएंगी. I agree, lot of screen time is harmful. But अगर बच्चे स्कूल जब जा रहे थे तब भी घर आके मोबाइल देख रहे थे, तो स्क्रीन टाइम उतना ही है. थोड़ा सा मैनेज करने की बात है, थोड़ा उनका मोबाइल का टाइम कम कर दीजिए, यहाँ स्टडीज में डाल दीजिए. Please, they'll be into a proper routine. Learn to improve. आज अगर हमने इम्प्रूव किया कुछ चीजें, अगर हमने अपने लाइफस्टाइल में बेटर अडेप्ट कर ली, we'll be able to inspire our children also. किसी COVID had come, but I was not shaken up. मैं डटा रहा. जो भी सिचुएशंस आई मेरे सामने, फाइनेंशियली आई, इमोशनली आई, I was able to handle it. And this set an example for you. कि कुछ भी हो जाए, there is always a brighter future in them. We all have seen Sushant Singh Rajput का case. Very unfortunate to say, but again, कितना भी प्रेशर हो जाए, there is always a solution to that. And this everybody is talking about. There is always a solution. Always remember this word. कितनी भी खराब सिचुएशन हो, उससे बाहर निकलने की ताकत सिर्फ हम इंसानों में है. नेक्स्ट, अगेन, चेंज लर्निंग प्रोसेस. हम सबने देखा लर्निंग इंपॉर्टेंट है, क्योंकि हमारा मेंटल हेल्थ को लर्निंग बहुत ज्यादा इफेक्ट करती है. ऑफलाइन टू ऑनलाइन हम सब गए, पूरी दुनिया गई. व्हाई नॉट एक्सेप्ट इट? एक्सेप्ट इट. गेट योर चिल्ड्रन अडैप्ट टू दिस. टेल देम टू बी मोर डिसिप्लिन्ड. क्लास में अगर डंडा मार के टीचर बिठा रही है कि नहीं डिसिप्लिन हो, इट इज देयर, शी इज देयर. बट नाउ इट इज द टाइम फॉर देम टू लर्न कि डिसिप्लिन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आज अगर मैं ऑनलाइन क्लासरूम में बैठा हूँ, तो ये मेरे अंदर है कि मैं अपने अंदर कैसे डिसिप्लिन लाऊं. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, द मोमेंट children take a charge of taking responsibility like this, that I have to be disciplined, none of the parent is going to worry about them. They can control their future easily. Isliye teach them. You don't have to teach them बैठो. Just teach them why it is important for them to sit for this class. उनको purpose बताओ. Just motivate them. They'll automatically be inspired. इसलिए support them. मार के मत बिठाइए कि नहीं बैठना है. Tell them the purpose. You have two choices. Either you study or you don't study. नहीं करोगे, लास्ट में जाके प्रेशर तुम पे आएगा और किसी का कुछ नहीं जाएगा. Make them understand the situation smoothly. And trust me, our children are very smart. बहुत ज्यादा अच्छा समझते हैं और वो बहुत जल्दी समझते हैं. So take them into the confidence. Better clarity on learning what is mandatory. उनको choice करने दीजिए क्या important है. And trust them. Just be available with them. This is more important. Change in the learning environment, change in the learning mindset. Everything, as I said, everything is there in our minds. So just help them understand the situation and support them. So we'll quickly come to parenting for new normal. Be an encourager. I understand you're a parent. You're also going through a lot of emotional trauma. But if you are in a healthy mindset, your children are going to follow it. अगर आप परेशान होंगे, बच्चे ऑटोमेटिकली परेशान होंगे, बिकॉज आपकी वाइब्रेशंस बच्चों तक ट्रांसफर होती हैं. Educate children the art of adapting. Parents, teachers are there, they will definitely help. But at the same time, you are the role models at home. They are seeing you the whole day. If you will adapt to the changes, trust me, it is very quick for them to adapt to the changes. Encourage your child to form a routine. ये नहीं कि आज हम सुबह इतने बजे उठ रहे हैं, शाम को नहा रहे हैं, कल हम उठ रहे हैं, नहा ही नहीं रहे हैं. Don't do that. Tell them, okay, give them some liberty. Okay, Saturday, Sunday is yours, but still follow a routine. जैसे हम ऑफिस जाते हैं और संडे को छुट्टी होती है, we are very lazy. It's okay. One day in a week, 2 days in a week is okay, but tell them they have to be in a routine which will only help them. Again, a mental health will also be affected by this. Make your children feel your availability. आप घर में हैं, टाइम नहीं दे पा रहे, इट्स ओके, बट गिव देम कॉन्फिडेंस कि अगर कुछ परेशान कर रही है उन्हें चीज, नहीं उनसे बैठा जा रहा है ऑनलाइन क्लासेस के लिए, नहीं उनसे होमवर्क हो रहा है, दे आर नॉट मोटिवेटेड, टेल देम टू कम टू यू एंड डिस्कस दिस. एवरी प्रॉब्लम हैज अ सॉल्यूशन व्हेन इट इज डिस्कस्ड विद द लव्ड वंस. बी फ्लेक्सिबल, डंडा लेके मत खड़े रहिए. ट्राई न्यू थिंग्स व्हिच यू ऑलवेज वांटेड टू डू एंड हैड नो टाइम. हम हमेशा कहते थे हमारे बच्चे इतने बिजी रहते हैं, हम तो खुद बिजी रहते ही रहते हैं, हमारे बच्चे भी बहुत बिजी रहते हैं. तो दिस इज द टाइम, चेरिश इट, ट्रस्ट मी, डाउन द लाइन 10 years आप सब ये वाला टाइम याद करेंगे, और ये वाला टाइम वापस नहीं आ रहा, कोविड वापस नहीं आएगा. तो जो टाइम हमें मिला है, ऐसा टाइम हमें हो सकता है लाइफ टाइम में कभी नहीं मिले. सो डू द बेस्ट इन दिस टाइम. जितना कर सकते हो, जितनी बॉन्डिंग स्ट्रॉन्ग कर सकते हो अपने बच्चों के साथ, प्लीज करिए. दिस टाइम विल नेवर रिटर्न बैक. एक बार टाइम निकल गया, कभी वापस नहीं आएगा. Indulge in creating a strong bond. सबसे अच्छी बात मैं बताऊं, बच्चों को ना हमारी स्टोरी सुनना बहुत पसंद है कि हम जब छोटे थे तो कैसे थे. प्लस उनको उनके बचपन की भी स्टोरी सुनना बहुत पसंद है कि जब मैं छोटी सी थी तो मैं ऐसी शैतानियां करती थी. Once you start doing that, you will see there's so much of strong bonding that you are indirectly creating. Because जो हमें वो बोलना चाहिए जो हमारे बच्चा सुनना चाहता है. ट्रस्ट मी, वो कभी भी ऑफ द ट्रैक नहीं जाएंगे. Now I would like to conclude here. Let's have quickly some parents' queries so that we can make them understand about whatever queries they have. Let's solve them. We are a little short of time. Mustaq sir, can we have queries now? I hope सबको ये session अच्छा लगा mental health का. Again, I'm repeating. The one thing which is very important is your mental health and learning. आप किचन में हैं तो भी लर्न करिए, आप लॉबी में हैं, कोई एक्टिविटी कर रहे हैं, कोई गेम खेल रहे हैं, उसमें भी लर्न करिए. हमारी जिंदगी पूरे टाइम लर्निंग से इम्पैक्टेड है. हमारे ब्रेन में न्यू न्यूरल पाथ्स क्रिएट होते हैं व्हिच enables us to learn day by day. The more we learn, the more efficient we become. So
yes, all right, Nidhi, that was really a great thing whatever you've been saying. I just wanted you to off the screen so that let's go on the screen, you, me, and
sure, sir.
Chancel.
Sorry, sir. Yeah, done.
And just hold.
Okay, we have somebody saying that
There are a
children
lot
know
of
self-discipline and time management, but younger children don't understand in physical class until they are taught twice. You're right, ma'am, but I don't understand how kids understand in online classes easily. Ma'am, it is okay. हमें धीरे-धीरे समझाना है. आई अंडरस्टैंड, बड़े बच्चे जल्दी समझते हैं, छोटे बच्चे थोड़ा टाइम लेंगे. बट अगर हम परसिस्टेंटली कहें, आज अगर वो 10 मिनट्स के लिए बैठे हैं, लेट्स एनकरेज देम. मोटिवेशन के लिए सबसे बेस्ट चीज होती है उनको प्रेज करना. द मोर यू प्रेज, द मोर दे विल एक्सेप्ट योर अंडरस्टैंडिंग्स ऑल्सो. अगर हम आज जॉब कर रहे हैं, हमारे बॉस सामने अगर हमें प्रेज कर रहे हैं, वी आर ऑलवेज मोटिवेटेड टू डू अ बेटर वर्क. दिस हैपेंस विद द चिल्ड्रन आल्सो. अगर आप उनको मोटिवेट करेंगे, उनको अप्रिशिएट करेंगे, नॉट तुम तो सिर्फ 10 मिनट बैठे आधे घंटे के बजाय. डोंट डू दैट. से तुम 10 मिनट बैठे, such a great task that you did. Wow. कल हम इसको 15 minutes करेंगे and let's see how it feels. Automatically होगा. We have to be patient and we have to be persistent. And trust me, your kids will follow you like anything.
Yes,
I hope
that was really great. If there are any questions
you
from the
understood
parents,
this?
na, the parents unmute themselves and ask the questions. Parents, mother, parents, or fathers, whoever are there here available, so you can ask the questions to Nidhi, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Any sort of questions regarding your child's mental health or learning, you can ask them. Like you have pandemic, COVID, online
or mental health or anything, parents, you can ask the questions. Unmute yourself and ask the questions. Nada's parent, would you like to ask any question? Afshana's mother, would you like to ask some questions?
Or if somebody wants to put it on the chat, they can put it on the chat. We can read and just give an
Yes.
explanation. Sir, is there anyone on Facebook Live also who is asking for any query?
म्यूट करें ना
What is the role of a teacher to build mental health among the children? सबसे पहली बात for teachers also to understand, appreciate them, motivate them. This is motivating is the first step to acquiring the desired results. आप कितना भी प्रेशर डालें उससे कोई फायदा नहीं होगा. ऑनलाइन क्लास है, it's okay. Do all the learning. Actually, in an online class, the learning happens not more than 20 minutes. Spend 20 minutes quality time. Rest of the time, if you have 10 minutes, just devote those 10 minutes in terms of motivating these children, talking about stuff, talking about what are they dealing, how are they dealing. Trust me, the next class online is going to be a fabulous class for you. So 20 minutes teaching से ज़्यादा हम class में भी नहीं पढ़ा पाते, because when we are discussing it with the children in the physical classes, the teaching happens for 20 minutes. In online classes also, limit your teaching to 20 minutes and rest time, utilize it to create that bond online, which is not available right now during the offline, which we used to have it during the offline. And it will help you in terms of gaining the results. I hope, Archana ma'am, your query is solved. Do we have more queries?
Perfect. Nidhi, that was the only query. We had it on the Facebook. So I think most of the parents have known. And Nidhi also deals with all the, like they have an Happiness Ki Patashala program also.
Yeah. So, dear teachers and dear parents,
ma'am, Nidhi,
yeah.
Happiness Ki Patashala is also there. So she also deals with, like, if you have any form of, like, any parent who cannot come up with the any form of psychological, like children are not listening. Yesterday when I was, Nidhi, I just wanted to share you something. Yesterday I was going out in my car, so I just stopped near a medical shop. When I went to take a small tablet, there was a child of 4 years or 5 years around. This child, he was sitting on the bike tank, front tank. His sister was sitting back of him. The father stopped the bike, went to medical shop and came back. What I have noticed is this boy who was sitting on the petrol tank, he was wearing a headset and he was seeing the phone, watching the phone. So by when his sister just tried to snatch him up, he started crying like anything. So it also shows, like, many of the parents you keep in YouTube, chala mandi YouTube le pedtaru aur zyada aap log YouTube de dete hain bachon ke liye. When you snatch the phone, they start. So how to deal with this? That's the query. Like, online education is something different, because we are only dealing with 1.5 hours or 2 hours. That's more than the screen time. So they are involving in learning, where LSRW, listening, speaking, writing and reading, is happening in online class. Whereas when you go to TikTok, when you go to YouTube, when you go to PUBG, or when you go to many things, there are a lot of parents from my school who wanted the counseling session on the PUBG game, because they are addicted to it for YouTube. So I just wanted you to tell parents how to utilize the time efficiently and how to utilize the phone in an advantage manner, not a disadvantage manner. Then you can go with the Happiness Ki Pathshala.
Okay, perfect.
Nidhi number is also available in the message. Any parent, if you want to have any query, you can straightforwardly message her on WhatsApp.
You can talk to me, you can WhatsApp me. Trust me, you'll get the solution. At the same time, sir, whatever situation you just said, snatching the phone and the child is crying, this is a very common situation. I would rather say 90% घरों में ऐसा ही होता है. Snatching karna is not the solution. Tell a child to sit with you. When he's using a phone, just sit with the child. These phones, these mobile, these gadgets are hypnotizing the brains of everybody. It's not just a child, it is also us that we get hypnotized when we are into watching all these things. So, sabse pehle to give them choices. Don't snatch. I know you're very angry or whatever, but discuss it at the time of using it. Okay beta, हो गया. Now let's discuss. अगर हम ज्यादा देखेंगे ना तो हम बाद में ये screen time नहीं ले पाएंगे. Limit the screen time. Set your targets. How much of screen time you have to give it to your child. After that, stick to your targets. That okay, I have given him 30 minutes, 1 hour in a day, which is split into 10 minutes. It's okay. आप ब्रेक्स देके कुछ भी काम करेंगे उसका नुकसान नहीं होगा. स्नैच करेंगे वो रेबेलियस होगा, वो बार बार उस चीज के लिए रोएगा, फिर आप उसके ऊपर हाथ उठाएंगे, आप उसको डांटेंगे, इससे कुछ नहीं होगा, लॉन्ग टर्म इफेक्ट नहीं पड़ेगा. व्हाट विल एक्चुअली हैपन इज यू हैव टू गिव चाइल्ड एन ऑप्शन. ये आपकी चॉइस है. दीज आर द टू चॉइसेस. ट्रस्ट मी, दे ऑलवेज चूज द बेस्ट चॉइस दैट दे हैव. चॉइस उसी हिसाब से दीजिए जिस हिसाब से आपको उससे काम कराना है. गुस्से से काम नहीं होगा, स्नैचिंग से काम नहीं होगा. एट द सेम टाइम मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट एडवाइस इज टू डिवाइस अ टाइम कि पूरे दिन में अगर हमें 1 घंटा देना है, उस 1 घंटे को 10 मिनट्स में स्प्लिट कर दीजिए. दिस इज ओके. और कभी कभार एक्सटेंशन इज ओके समटाइम्स इफ यू आर बिजी. बट आई अग्री, नॉर्मली सब कहते हैं कि आप बच्चों के साथ जितना ज्यादा एंगेजमेंट क्रिएट करेंगे बच्चा मोबाइल की तरफ नहीं भागेगा. बट एट द सेम टाइम आई अंडरस्टैंड being a mother of 2 kids, it is not so easy to sit with them throughout because हमारी खुद की responsibilities बहुत होती हैं. हमें भी बहुत सारे टास्क करने पड़ते हैं जिस समय हम बच्चों को इन्वॉल्व नहीं कर सकते. So I agree. So even if you have to give them time, give them these things, limit the time. Tell them what are the pros and cons of using the mobile. आज यूज कर लिया अगर इतना ज्यादा तो कल नहीं मिलेगा. ट्रस्ट मी, they'll be over conscious. वो आपसे पहले ज्यादा कॉन्शियस होंगे. नहीं, अगर आज ज्यादा लिमिट क्रॉस कर ली तो कल नहीं मिलेगा. एंड that is how you can control them. That is how you can control their aspirations of using it more also. Get them out of the hypnotized mode, which is very important. So I hope, Mushtaq sir, it makes sense to you also and to everybody also.
There is one more question. There is one more question.
Yes, sir.
Lot of parent, it was on learning platform and the screen time what you have done, first thing. And second thing, the most important thing is many parents when they send the boxes to school, I'm talking about boxes to school, or I'm also talking about now the parents are in their home. So the child when they have a good food they try to eat, but the mothers have, like, fathers are not that emotional than mothers are more emotionally connected. So what they do is they fill the plate and ask them to eat. So I just wanted to, even my mother does the same, your mother does the same, mothers are the same.
Many times I also do the same.
जितना खा सकते हैं बच्चे, जितना खा सकते.
एक चीज हमेशा याद रखिएगा, बच्चों की प्लेट में थोड़ा, अगर हमने ये प्रैक्टिस यंगर एज से डाली कि जितना प्लेट में है उतना फिनिश करो, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. थोड़ा थोड़ा दीजिए, बट इतना इंश्योर कीजिए कि जितना प्लेट में आया है वो फिनिश हो. ट्रस्ट मी, 21 days योर चाइल्ड विल बी इनटू अ हैबिट ऑफ फिनिशिंग द होल प्लेट. कम जाए बट इट्स ओके. हमेशा ये याद रखना, आप उसको ठूस ठूस के खिलाएंगे उस पर कोई असर नहीं पड़ेगा, लेकिन वो इंटरेस्ट से खाएगा उतना फर्क पड़ेगा. तो अगर हम सोचते मेरी बेटी 2 रोटियां खा ले उसका पेट भर जाए तो ठीक है, पेट तो भर जाएगा बट खाना नहीं लगेगा रो रो के खाया हुआ. इसलिए थोड़ा थोड़ा दीजिए, हेल्प कीजिए, मोटिवेट कीजिए कि प्लीज खा ले. उसके बाद में इसको एंड ट्राई टू मेक सम वेराइटी ऑफ फूड्स एंड पुट सम इंटरेस्टिंग फ्लेवर्स. कभी कुछ तरीके से बना दिया, कभी कुछ तरीके से बना दिया. बट वन थिंग दैट आई ऑलवेज रिकमेंड पेरेंट्स, जितना खाना उनकी प्लेट में जाए, इंश्योर दैट दे गेट इनटू अ प्रैक्टिस ऑफ फिनिशिंग इट, बिकॉज दैट इज ऑल्सो रिलेटेड टू योर मेंटल हेल्थ. हम जब खाना नहीं फेंकते हैं, देयर आर गुड वाइब्रेशन दैट गोज इनटू अस एंड वी हैव सम फीलिंग्स कि हम खाना वेस्ट नहीं करते हैं. जो बेचारे गरीब बच्चे जिनको खाना नहीं मिलता है, बिकॉज ऑफ आवर स्पिलिंग ऑफ फूड, they are we are wasting food and they are not able to eat food. So this realization will automatically come and they'll be proud of themselves कि मेरी प्लेट में जितना खाना आता है वो फिनिश होगा. कहीं बच्चा बाहर जाता है और जितना उसको लगा के प्लेट में मिलता है, he will ensure that he finishes it. And this habit can only start from home. Trust me. Maybe once the child starts going to the school, always ensure कि टिफिन खत्म हो जाए, बेशक लंच ब्रेक में टाइम नहीं मिला, बस में खा ले. बट ये हैबिट उनके ब्रेन में आना बहुत जरूरी है कि खाना पूरा फिनिश करें. ऑटोमेटिकली जो प्लेट में होगा ना वो उनको टेस्टी लगना शुरू हो जाएगा, बिकॉज दे विल गेट इनटू अ हैबिट ऑफ फिनिशिंग इट कि आई डोंट हैव टू लीव फूड बिहाइंड और आई डोंट हैव टू वेस्ट फूड इन माय plate. So this habit will automatically satisfy you कि मेरे बच्चे ने जो खाया है बहुत अच्छा खाया और वो लग गया. We have one more query. My daughter, who is studying in 9th grade, organizes her plans on her own, but my son studying in 2nd class doesn't even have any interest to listen. So can you suggest some ways to build interest in my child? First of all, ma'am, never compare your children. And trust me, when you have two kids, they're usually opposites. So if your girl is very organized, your child is never going to be organized the way that the girl is organized. Okay, just give him some kind of a challenge. If he loves to do some challenge, just get into, okay, I have this task on my plate today, I have these plans, you also make plans. Let's see whose plans are fulfilled in a day. At the end of the day, just discuss that. Trust me, you'll be motivated to do plans. Just because he's not being compared with her sister, with his sister, but he's compared with you, and he will accept that challenge because you yourself are putting in front of him as a challenge. Okay, I will also do this. जब भी बच्चा कुछ करना चाहता है उसके लिए हमें साथ में लगना पड़ता है. अगर हम ये लेंगे कि okay, I will also organize my plan. See, my this is my plan for today. What is your plan for today? Trust me, you'll start doing it. Try this. If it works, very good. If it does not happen, I'll give you more tricks, ma'am. You can WhatsApp me anytime. I hope the query is solved.
Yes, Nidhi, yes. And there's last one question from our end. So
Okay. What is the vital role of parents in this pandemic? Vital role, as I said, parenting tips, be available to them. Make sure that they know that you're not physically present, you're also emotionally present. They are also not going on the grounds. They're also not meeting their friends. They're also going through an emotional trauma. So just support them. Don't keep forcing them, do this, do this. It's okay. We will get more time to do all these things, but this time, just enjoy it. Try to remain happy as much as possible. I know even if you have tensions, I will tell you not to take tension because after every sunset, there is a sunrise. तो अगर आपको भी अपने करियर की टेंशन है या अपने फ्यूचर की टेंशन है, ट्रस्ट मी, एट द एंड ऑफ द डे जब आप सोएं, बहुत अच्छी फीलिंग के साथ सोएं, इस कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ सोएं कि हम जब कल उठेंगे तो एक नया सवेरा है और हमारी सारी प्रॉब्लम्स का सोल्यूशन है. कोई भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती जब तक उसका सोल्यूशन नहीं होता. So just ensure, and this is very important for parents to understand, because if they are happy, the happiness will automatically spread around and children will be happy. इसलिए आप खुद स्ट्रेस में मत रहिए, और जब आप स्ट्रेस में नहीं रहेंगे आप देखिएगा आपके बच्चे कितना अच्छा घर पे रिस्पॉन्ड कर रहे हैं. Be towards learning. At the same time, I would definitely want to say teachers and schools are taking a lot of effort in terms of getting children into the learning. They are not focusing only on the books. Their motto is not to get into books, but they're also trying to teach them a lot of things. सबसे बड़ी बात self-discipline, self-inspiration. These are very important things. आज अगर हमें आ गई, हमें आगे करियर में कोई रोकने वाला नहीं है, because there are few milestones to our successful career. One of them is discipline for sure. So I will really like parents to please stay mentally healthy. Please ensure that you're happy. Do not worry, because जो problems आई हैं वो जाएंगी. इतना gratitude रखिए कि ऊपर वाले ने हमें जिंदा रखा है. जिंदा रखा है तो सब कुछ हो जाएगा. इसलिए just खुश रहिए, और अपने आप खुशी आप अपने बच्चों में देखेंगे. सेंथिल, why don't you talk about happiness की पाठशाला here if we can talk in Hindi?
Let me try that. Sorry, parents. I know thoda se Hindi, I don't get too much into Hindi, but still, I would love to try these things. So basically, when Nidhi was explaining about few things around what this has been asking about, how to get into this mindset for how to motivate these parents and everything, and these screen times. Basically, you know why kids are more towards this games, PUBGs and everything, because there are three factors which always makes us to watch anything, right? Let it not take it as
sorry, a little bit of Hindi more required in this session. I'll try if you want.
Right. So why do they watch a phone or any game? तो इसमें एक excitement है, right? So interesting है. What happens when we ask them to do to पढ़ो, when you ask them to read daily, they lose their interest, right? And they lose their excitement because they are rehearsing what is been done already. So if you want to make them learn more, try to make it interesting, try to make it exciting. तो exciting चाहिए और interesting चाहिए तो उन लोगों को just give them some kind of challenge ना, ये 10 मिनट के finish it within 10 minutes or do these things quicker than what you did yesterday. So I said to you, give your challenge to them, it makes them ticking, right? They don't have the challenge or excitement. That is why this learning process and education process is taking a back step. So when you try to make sure that it is more interesting and exciting, it is very, very easier. That is what we are trying to do it in Happiness Ki Pathshala. We always wanted to do. There are 5 things which we are trying. Basically, this is our core of Happiness Ki Pathshala: is what, why, how, where, and when. So this is for everything. Now, whatever you do, what are you studying, what are you reading, everything, why you are reading, why do you want to study, then that's once you get these answers now, why you are reading or why you are studying, this is where inspiration comes into play, and we will have to inspire them to know why to learn, what are the benefits of learning. So if they get into that, you don't have to push them to study, no? Once they understand why they have to study, what are the benefits of studies, automatically they will do by themselves. You don't have to discipline them at all.
I will summarize it in a way. Parents, we as a company, we have a motive of changing the generation. When we say हमें generation change करनी है, हमें generation को strong बनाना है. और हम सबने कोविड के टाइम पे एक्सपीरियंस किया कि अगर हमारी मेंटल हेल्थ अच्छी है तो हमारी फिजिकल हेल्थ अच्छी है. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, मेंटल हेल्थ अच्छी होने से, सक्सेस मिलने से ना आपके बच्चे को कोई रोक पाएगा और ना आपको कोई रोक पाएगा. तो व्हाट इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट इज कि हम बच्चों की मेंटल हेल्थ पे अभी से काम करना शुरू करें, बिकॉज दीज आर द चिल्ड्रन हु अडैप्ट वेरी क्विकली. इसलिए हम कहते हैं ना, छोटे में बचपन में हम बहुत ज्यादा जल्दी सीख जाते हैं. कोई भी चीज हमें पेरेंट्स सिखाते हैं या टीचर सिखाते हैं, हम बहुत जल्दी लर्न करते हैं. सो दिस इज द टाइम, अगर हम उनको अभी सिखाएंगे मेंटल हेल्थ के बारे में एंड विल स्टार्ट मेकिंग इट प्रैक्टिकली इम्प्लीकेबल इन देयर लाइफ, they will be very very sound in terms of mental health. फिर ये कोविड जैसी चीजें कभी उनको डिविएट नहीं कर पाएंगी उनके गोल से, चाहे कितनी बड़ी प्रॉब्लम्स आ जाएं. these are all going to help them achieve their goals. एंड इसीलिए हमने जो मोटिव बनाया, हमने बच्चों से हैप्पीनेस की पाठशाला की है, बिकॉज इस एज में हम बहुत जल्दी बच्चों को मेंटली स्ट्रॉन्ग कर सकते हैं. एंड द ओनली थिंग दैट वी नीड इज support from the parents to realize how much important it is for them to get their children into a learning of mental health. Learning mental health is easy. बड़े होने के बाद मुश्किल है, बिकॉज हम एक पैटर्न में ढल जाते हैं. जब वो पैटर्न कंटिन्यूड होता है तो वो फिक्स हो जाता है, उसको तोड़ना बहुत मुश्किल है. लेकिन बच्चों के लिए पैटर्न हम बना रहे हैं अभी, और ये पैटर्न अगर उनके ब्रेन में न्यूरॉन्स की तरह से फिक्स हो गया, आपको कोई मेहनत नहीं करनी, आपको कोई उनको सेल्फ डिसिप्लिन में डालने की जरूरत नहीं है. यू डोंट हैव टू वर्क even an inch to make sure that your child is working towards the success, because they know how to achieve success. And this is what our motive towards Happiness Ki Pathshala. And we are doing this not as a company, but we are doing this as somebody who can change the world. So thank you so much, Mustaq sir, for giving us the chance. एक और query आया है. I'll quickly read that. I don't want any parent to not get the answers for their queries. If any child is too weak to understand even an easy word so far, that kind of a student, how we have to teach? Sir, इसके लिए कुछ NLP techniques होती हैं, which is Neuro Linguistic Program. अब्दुल सर, आप प्लीज मुझे व्हाट्सएप कीजिएगा, मैं आपको कुछ टेक्निक्स दूंगी जो आपको इसमें हेल्प करेगी. एंड आई कैन गारंटी यू दैट दिस टेक्निक विल हेल्प यू. इट इज आल्सो कॉल्ड अ विजुअलाइजेशन टेक्निक दैट वी नॉर्मली डू. I will explain you how to do it with the child, and you will see a transformation coming in the child in next 10 to 15 days for sure. तो आप मुझे पर्सनली व्हाट्सएप कर दीजिएगा अब्दुल जी, and I'll give you some techniques for sure.
Right, Nidhi. So it was a great session. Behalf of all the Laksh International School family, as well as there are a lot of other school principals also have joined. Other parents are also have joined. I just have one word from my end is we keep spending a lot on our garments or our accessories or many things. And many of the fathers claim that अभी तो office जाना है, online classes नहीं होगी. Many of the mothers complain that we are busy with the household things. Remember one thing: when we are no more in the world, we are not going to take anything. What we have given to our kids is more important. What we have left over to them is more important. From here, then after 15-20 years, when your child, if he is studying in nursery right now, after 20 years, if he is an engineer or innovator or a scientist or a doctor, he needs the knowledge and he needs what you have given. The education plays a vital role. So rather than spending hours and lakhs on some other things, on hospitality or any other thing, spend quality time on your kids and try to understand what they really want and what they really seek. And thank you, Brain and Wits, and apni part happiness ki pathshala. And we also the parents who are really interested to introduce this, we have a parent association. We in coming days, once the schools are reopened, Dr. Nidhi and we will also start the program with our group. Thank you. Have a nice day, and thank you, Nidhi.
Thank you so much, and thank you, lovely parents, for being so insightful. And please खुश रहिए और बच्चों के साथ time spend कीजिए. Bye bye everybody. Have a great day.